Favourites are pretty much drawn deep. There goes the green light and they're off, and beginning well was Arnold. It's looking for the lead, showing speed in the centre was Ko-Fi Monarch, and back on the inside is Kylie's Life, and taking closer order Sammy Showdown as Ko-Fi Monarch just keeps Arnold working a little bit into that first turn. Behind those then came Agent Maori. They were followed by Revy J. Well back is Drop the Hammer, followed by Empire Bay, and dropping out to be last is In the Valley. Taking up the front, running now Arnold. Had to work a little bit to find the lead, but takes over and goes clear now over Ko-Fi Monarch, who sits second, and third posse held by Sammy Showdown. They were followed on the inside by Kylie's Life, 3 markers and fourth. The next one was Revy J. Then Agent Maori, followed by Drop the Hammer as they swing into the home stretch now and head their way down towards the mile pole. Further back in the run then as they come down was Gold Sovereign, and they were being followed by In the Valley and Empire Bay. So the lead time was 51.7 as they come down the home straight. They'll greet the judge with 1 round left to go, and Arnold making play about 5 metres in front. Second spot, Ko-Fi Monarch. Third is Sammy Showdown, obliged to race without cover. The next one on the inside, Kylie's Life, Revy J in the 1-1. Back on the inside then came Agent Maori, followed by Drop the Hammer. He sits 3 back in the running line. Then Gold Sovereign, Empire Bay, and still seeing them all as In the Valley. First quarter of the last mile was trotted in 30.9 as they work to the back, and Arnold under restraint leads the way by 5 metres. Second spot at the moment. On the inside is Ko-Fi Monarch and Sammy Showdown, the well-fancied runner, doing it without cover. Then Revy J, Kylie's Life. The outsiders Drop the Hammer, covering up Agent Maori. Trailing trio are Empire Bay, Gold Sovereign and In the Valley. Down the back, passing the 800, second split, it was 29.8. Half in 61.7, and the leader as they come off the back straight was Arnold. That leads the way by only 2 metres. Sammy Showdown starts to throw down the gauntlet on the outside. They were followed the inside by Ko-Fi Monarch, and then came Revy J, the stablemate, on the outer. Drop the Hammers poised, and then came Kylie's Life under some pressure, and Empire Bay heads the remainder, but it's Arnold. Fights off the immediate threat here of Sammy Showdown. Ko-Fi Monarch, Revy J, Drop the Hammer, spots the leader 15 and is flat at the moment, and then came around the outside Empire Bay, going off stride on the inside Ko-Fi Monarch, and the leader is Arnold. Trying hard is Sammy Showdown. Revy J comes on, trying to wind up now was Drop the Hammer with Empire Bay, but still the leader is Arnold. He's packing plenty. Here comes Revy J in hot pursuit, but it's Arnold gripping on just in front. Joined now close to home by Revy J, who put in a big bound, and Revy J got up, I reckon. Revy J collars Arnold right on the peg. For third, they were lined up. You had Drop the Hammer and Empire Bay, and then Sammy Showdown. Further back in the field then came Kylie's Life together within that bunch of horses. In the Valley, well back to finish Ko-Fi Monarch, who made a mistake, and Gold Sovereign and also Agent Maori right in the shadows. He's tippy-toed the last bit, Arnold, and Revy J's got him. He was holding, and then right on the line, the last couple of bounds, he really knuckled down, and he's been rewarded for his consistency here, Revy J.